Your labels become your identity. Your identity becomes your reality. If you want a new reality, you must create a new identity. And my old identity was a 6-year-old little boy who went to speech therapy, who got picked on for 15 years for how he spoke. And my new identity was going to become this confident speaker that's traveling the world, making an impact, and that's how I want to be known. And many of us have a negative viewpoint of ourselves based off of what someone else has told us. You shouldn't let your imperfections of the present dictate your success in the future. And when we're creating this new identity for ourselves, we must shift our focus from our imperfections to our capabilities. And when we're going from our old identity to a new and improved identity, that is called our underdog story. Our underdog story is taking a specific challenge in our life and turning it into an opportunity for greatness. And it looks different for everyone. Underdog stories look different for everyone. Maybe people tell you, you're not smart, you're dumb. You go on to become a doctor saving other people's lives. Maybe you want to become an athlete, but you're not athletic. You go on to become a professional athlete, paving the way for other athletes who don't believe in themselves. Maybe you come from a broke family like I did. You go on to become an entrepreneur, making lots of money, helping a lot of people along the way. Maybe people tell you you're broken, and you come from a broken family with a lot of abuse. You go on to become a therapist, putting together other broken homes, other broken people. People need you. And if you give up on your dreams, or you don't even start on your dreams, you're going to be doing a disservice to people. Because they're waiting on you to make an impact on their life. But you're here, not starting. And underdog stories doesn't have to be career related. It could be about breaking generational curses. You could be the first millionaire in your family. You could be the first person in your family to travel the world. You could be the first person in your family to be physically and mentally healthy. You could be the first person in your family to have stable relationships. The possibilities are endless. Don't let fear hold you back. The fear of not being good the first time. The fear of what other people are going to think about you or say about you. The fear of failing. Start creating your new identity today.